everyone. This is the welding that Joe have done yesterday. So I kept it, I didn't throw it away. I'm gonna make him something of it and I'm gonna keep it in my garage just for souvenir. So stay along for that short welding video. I'm gonna start my buzz box. It was very nice to see him yesterday. He helped me a lot. I mean, all the videos should be coming very soon. Alright? Good. That's one side. That should be strong enough. Voila. So I already write down Joe's welding. I'm gonna erase it and put Joe's first welding. Okay, so that was a short video about that. Alright. Cheers, guys.